Hi, this is Guoyi Tan. This video is going to talk about database presentation about EDTA 251. First question, how would you get to database from library website? Once you access to a library website, you click database A to Z, and it will show you all database they have. I chose the historical and image database, which is this one. And once I access to it, I will bookmark it. So next time I will have a quick access to it. Second, how would it be helpful? For what kind of research? Are there any comparable database on this subject or purpose? So every database is helpful for research. Otherwise, you won't choose a database, right? So I chose the image database because the Soviet Union, my project is about Soviet Union and the nuclear powers they have. And it's quite a long time ago, even before I was born. So I think image and video may have direct impact to what I will learn and will have a deep impression in my mind. So that's the reason I chose image database here. And about the comparable database, I would say for sure they have comparable database. There is a historical document series, abstracts, statistics of the United States. Those four is all about historical materials. So they may have different opinion of the articles, different journals or image will describe the same stuff, same incidents in the history. So you might choose wisely and carefully. Are there any browsing options that could be helpful? If you look carefully, there is a brief introduction under the title, so you will know what kind of material the database will contain. Like this database only contains image, only contains video, or only contains materials from specific time. It will help you do your search and make your search easier. Fourth, does the database include the seizures? Well, the database I chose does not have a keyword list, but it says collection in this community and targets. I tried both of them, and I think there's not quite efficiently in a search way in this database. So if anyone wants search result in this database, I would not recommend you to use targets here. Fifth, how do you use Boolean operator efficiently in the database? So if you want to use Boolean operators, you need to go to advanced search. And first, it will only show up like one search bar. You need to click more. It will show you more search bar. I will search Soviet and weapon, for example. So if I choose AND as my option, it will show me everything contains both Soviet and weapons. So the result probably be like armies, a war, because it contains Soviet and weapons. And once I choose OR, it will show me everything about Soviet and everything about weapons. The result will be will be expanded. So the result may describe economics about Soviet, but American weapons. And once you choose not, it will show you everything about Soviet, but not connect to not connect to any weapons. That's the three different ways that you use Boolean operators. And of course, you can add more search bar. You can always add more. 6. Are there any limiters that are helpful to narrow speech? Please list. So in my database, there's 2 search way, field search and range search. So range search, they have 2 search bar in the first line, so you can search probably in a way like 1990 to 2000. So I think all the results will appear, all the appeared result will be only in the 1990s to 2000. Of course, you have to change the search type here. And also in 2 different search way, you have search type. You choose full text, it will show the result contains Sophia anywhere. If we found a Sophia in the text, it will show you the result. And if you choose author, and it will show you only author's name contains Sophia word, like Sophia Joey or something like that. But it's not gonna be possible anyone will choose Sophia as his name. So I would say low possibility. So when you search result, you gotta be careful. You don't want to choose author. And also there's other types like title, keyword, abstract series. So you can use them when you do searching. 7th, are there options for how to sort result? What are they? So sort item by is the sort way in my database, and it has 5 different options: relevance, issue date, creation date, submit date, and title. So most of the time I will choose relevance because that the way help you put the most related result related information in the top of the list. So you will find your most helpful result, most helpful materials immediately. 8th, are there other options for limiting once you are in the search result? Briefly explain. So here I have search result, and I think 21 results are 2 more. I want specific find some different results. So if I want to choose, I think I only need a result from 1999. So I click here. It will only show you the result from 1999. So you can continue narrow your search here by choosing the author, and we'll continue narrow your search result. Nice. Are there find it my own web link for articles or other full text links? How do you get to a full text? Well, this one here is not has it will not have a full text link here because it's the most materials here is about video, image, or here MP3 audio materials. So there is no full text button on the page, but it will replace it with open. So when you click it, it will display it, or you want to download it and listen to it later. 10th, are there any citation tools for the article? Be sure to include a demonstration. So for me, I didn't find any citation tool for this specific database. So I think if I use any result in the database, I need to create a citation in my own way. I mean, in my own hand by APA way. But here it lists the name or the location, date it recorded, and all the information you need. So it will help you to create a citation. It's really helpful and easy. 11th, how can the results be shared? So if it's audio, so you can just download it and send it to a friend or colleague in email. But if the result is a movie or video, it will be quite big. It's like 200 megabytes. You don't want to send a 200 megabytes file in your email, but it will appear like a permanent link here. If you want to share it with your friend or colleague or peer review group mates, you can just copy the link and send the link in the email, and they will be able to open the link in their email and share the video. I think that's all the question I have to contain in my database presentation. Thank you for watching.